Hi everyone. Today we will start with rational numbers. This is the first chapter of your textbook, but it's fourth chapter of my textbook. Okay. So first, let us start with the numbers. Numbers में we have many types of numbers. बराबर? So we can say numbers में we can say natural numbers which starts from that is from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Infinity means it's never ending. Second number is whole number. That starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. In natural number and whole number, we have odd number, even number, prime number, composite numbers. All that number comes under whole numbers. Okay. So now natural number, whole number. Now third number, main number is integer. Integers are exact number that is from negative and positive. Negative minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes on. Now rational number which we are going to learn in this chapter. Rational number is any number which is in the form of fraction, that is p by q form. P by q where q cannot be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, that means it is undefined. So denominator cannot be equal to 0 rational number में. Second thing in rational number can be of two type. One is positive rational number and second is negative rational number. If we have positive में both numerator and denominator can be positive or both can be negative. But negative rational number में any one can be positive, either numerator or denominator. It's understood thing. Okay, both are negative, we can cancel out. We can cancel this negative, it will become positive. And real numbers are the all numbers which we are using in our life, which we are doing in maths. It's all real number. Every number is included in the real number. ठीक है, चलो let us start with rational number की first exercise. You have to write four rational number equivalent to this. See, if we have rational number as 2 by 5, so second rational number if we can write as 2 by 5 into, if you multiply by 1 it will remain same, so let us multiply by some other number. In fraction you can multiply by same number to numerator and denominator, so it will become 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. If you cancel out you will get same type of number. This is first. We know 4 numbers na, so second mein we will multiply by 3. You can multiply by any number, but I will go in sequence 2 3 4 5. I will multiply that way. 2 3 is a 6, 5 3 is a 15. Third number के लिए I can multiply 2 by 5 into 4 upon 4, that is 4 2 is 8, 5 4s are 20, and fourth number is 2 by 5 into 5 upon 5, that is 5 2s are 10 upon 25. ठीक है, hope you had understood this. You have to find four rational number equivalent to 2 by 5. Equivalent means after cancelling out you can get 2 by 5 as the final simplest fraction. You can multiply any number as per your wish to make another fraction. There are infinite number to be multiplied. Now express, second question में express minus 64 upon 112 as a rational number with denominator 7. इसका denominator 7 होना चाहिए. तो let us first cancel out with, किससे कट होगा? 4 से कट होगा. 4 16 जा 4 2 जा 8, 4 8 जा 32. I think so. Again you can cancel it out by 4. 4 7 जा 4, 4s are, so final answer is minus 4 by 7 and 7 is its denominator. So last final answer is minus 4 by 7. Third question में express minus 48 by 60 as a rational number with denominator 25. अभी denominator 25 होना चाहिए. So let us first cancel by 6. 6 10s are 60, 6 8s are 48. So minus 8 by 10. Again we can cancel by 2. 2 5s are 2 4s are. So that is minus 4 by 5. But you want denominator as 25. So what I will write? I will write minus 4 by 5 ko I will multiply by 5 to get denominator 25. So I can multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So it will become minus 20 upon 25. See, my denominator is now 25. Okay, you can manipulate as they are given in question. Fourth, express each of the following rational number in the standard form. So first you have to understand what is standard form. A rational number p by q, it's written here, is said to be a standard form if p and q are integer having no common divisor. Means p and q should be in the simplest form. Okay, no common divisor other than 1, and denominator, that is q, should always be positive. So let us start with first. A में minus 12 by 30. So let us cancel by, because it should be simplest from 6 5s are 6 2s are. So minus 2 by 5. Now check the criteria for the standard form. What did I say? P and Q should be the simplest form. So it is 2 by 5. You cannot cancel out further, and denominator is positive. Sorry, denominator is positive. Now B. Minus 14 upon 49. So let us cancel by 7. 7 7s are 7 2s are. Again I got answer in simplest form. C. Minus 24 by minus 64. Sorry, plus 24 by minus 64. So first what I will do, I can cancel it out to make a simpler. 8 8s are 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. So I am getting 3 upon minus 8. Since denominator is negative, I have to make it positive. So what I will do, I will multiply by minus 1. Okay, it's understood if your denominator is negative, we can make it positive by multiplying it with minus 1. So it will become minus 3. Now numerator is negative and denominator will become positive. In this way you can get fraction in the standard form. D. 48 upon minus 84. By which number you can divide? This you can divide by 16. 16 3s are 16 नहीं, 16 से नहीं होगा. Let us divide by 4 first. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 2s are 4 1s are. Again we can divide by 3. 3 4s are 3 7s are. Since denominator is negative, we will multiply by minus 1. So you will get minus 4 upon 7. Okay, chalo, let us go on fifth question. Compare the following pair of rational number. To compare the rational number, first we have to make denominator equal. So denominator, if denominator is equal, then you can compare using numerator. So first we will take LCM of 32 and 24. So 32 and 24 ka LCM I can find here. 32 24. 2 16s are 2 12s are 2 8 2 6 2 4 2 3 4 I can take directly because 4 1s are 3 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24 24 into 4 is 96. So LCM is 96. Now we will make both denominator same. So for that I will write 15 by 32. It is multiplied by 3 to make denominator 96, and 17 by 24, 24 into 4. So we will multiply by 4. ठीक है. So 15 threes are 45 upon 96, and 17 fours are 68 upon 96. If you will see, your right side is greater, so I can write 45 by 96 is less than 68 by 96. Okay, once you get this in equations, whatever, you know, okay, which side is greater. Now you have to write in the question format. So question में 45 by 96 was 15 by 32 is less than 17 by 24. ठीक है, in this way you can compare. Let us do next question. उसमें 11 and 18 का LCM. तो first we'll take LCM of 11 and 18, which is equal to 18 198. 198 is the LCM. So let us make denominator as 198. So I can write 10 upon 11 multiply by 18 into 18, and 17 upon 18 multiply by 11 into 11. So 10 18 tens are 180 upon 198, and 17 into 11, it's 187 upon 198. If you compare again, left side is smaller and right side is greater. So 180 by 198 is smaller than 187 upon 198. So let us write in simplest form. 10 by 11 is less than 17 upon 18. Five by 12 and minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 12 and minus 3 by 4. So first we will take LCM of 12 and 4. So we know it is 12. So we can make denominator equal. Minus 5 by 12 will remain as it is, and minus 3 by 4 के साथ I can multiply 3. So minus 5 by 12 and 3 3s are minus 9 by 12. So as you see, when we have negative term, see, it starts from 0. As we go to the right, it becomes greater number. As we go to the left, it becomes smaller number. So if you see, minus 5 comes first and minus 9 comes later. So minus 9 by 12 is smaller than minus 5 by 12. So here many students makes mistake. So they just think minus 9 is greater than minus 5. But in reality, minus 5 is greater than minus 9 by 12. So writing in simplest form, minus 5 by 12 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Arrange in ascending order. Same pattern. If you have to arrange in ascending order or descending order, there is the same pattern. What we have to do first, we have to make denominator equal by taking LCM. So LCM of 9, 12 and 18 is 36, because if you just find it out, you will get it's 36. So I will make all denominators same. I can write 5 by 6 into 6 4s are 6 6 are 36 into 6 into 6 first part. 7 by 9, 9 को we can multiply by 4 to get 36. 11 upon 12 into 3 into 3, ठीक है, and 13 by 18 into 2. So here our denominator is equal. Let's multiply. 6 5s are 30 upon 36, 7 4s are 28 upon 36, 11 3s are 33 upon 36, and 26 upon 36. Now let us arrange. अरेंज में सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट इज 26 by 36, तो आई विल राइट 26 by 36 is smaller than 28 by 36 is smaller than 30 by 36 is smaller than 33 by 36. ठीक है. Now keeping it into the original simplest form, 26 by 36 is 13 by 18, 28 by 36 is 7 by 9, 30 by 36 is 5 by 6, and 11 by 12. This pattern, you have to write it in this pattern. It's compulsory. You have to show this less than sign, otherwise you may lose your marks. Okay, don't write comma in between. Next question. Denominator is 12. First we can write it in the standard form. If you want, you can cancel it out to make it simpler, but just keep numerator में negative sign. 5 by 12, let us write minus 9 by 24, minus 3 by 4, and 7 by 16. So LCM is 48, because 48 is the least common multiple for all denominators. Let us make denominator same. So first minus 5 by 12 into 4 multiply by 4, minus 9 by 24 into 2 into 2, minus 3 by 4 into 12 multiply by 12, 7 by 16 into 3 is 48, so numerator को भी we will multiply by 3. So 5 4s are minus 20 upon 12 4s are 48, 9 2s are 18 upon 24 2s are 48, 12 3s are minus 36 upon 48, and 7 3s are 21 upon 48. So as we know, negative में whatever is greater, whatever is the bigger number is actually the smallest one. So we will take minus 36 by 48 as the smallest number, followed by minus 20 by 48, then minus 18 by 48, and then last में positive number 21 by 48. So converting it into the simplest form, what you will get, minus 36 by 48 का simplest is minus 3 by 4, less than minus 20 by 48 का I can write minus 5 by 12, less than 18 by 48 को I can write minus 9 by 24, less than 7 by 16. Okay, hope you understood this properly. Question number 7, represent each of the following numbers on the number line. Numbers means rational number. This is an important question you may get for test as well as in your exam. The first question is 5 by 6. So just analyze this, okay, where it lies. This lies between 0 and 1. So let us make a number line. Straight line. Let us draw the marking. See, if I am considering this as 0, so 1 by 6, this is 0, big marking. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, because we need to make 6 parts. 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and this is 5 by 6, and this is 6 by 6. So if this is 0, so it can be 1. Then again 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 6 by 6, this will become 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write some extra numbers also. I am done with this. Now, what I have to do? I have to just mark with arrows. Okay. So now my number is 5 by 6. So I will represent here. It's 5 by 6. This is my 5 by 6. So in number line you can represent by 5 by 6 like this. You can write it here also. Okay, this is, so what we did, we just first found out where 5 by 6 lies. It's less than 1 and greater than 0, so it should lie between 0 and 1. So what I did, I just made 6 equal parts between 0 and 1. See, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal part between 0 and 1, so that I can mark 5/6 of the part. Now second is B. B is 14 by, so first when number is greater than 1, so you have to convert into mixed fraction. 3 4s are 12, 2 by 3. It's 4, 2 by 3. So let us make number line. Wait, let me. Okay, let us start with 0. We need to make 3 equal part. 1 by 3, this is 0. I will make it bigger. 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. This is my 1. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. This is my 2. 1 by 3, because we need 3 equal parts. Just check denominator. We have 4, 2 by 3. So we need to make 3 parts between each consecutive term. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and again 3 by 3, that is 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3. Some extra stuffs, that's all. Okay. You can just put arrows on both sides. Okay, if line is longer, then you can even erase it and make it smaller if you want. Let me erase this. So I need 4 2 by 3. So 4 2 by 3 will be this part. See, this part which I am doing, it's 4 2 by 3, means it should lie between 4 and 5. Lies between 4 and 5. So this is my representation. 4 2 by 3, that is 14 by 3. Just represent properly. Okay, just show our markings. Chalo, we will do next question. It's same as number line only. Now C is minus 3 by 7. So this lies between minus 1 and 0, because it is less than 0 and greater than minus 1. So let us draw let us draw scale number line. We will start with minus 2 because I need with minus 1. So we need to make 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 part. If this is minus 1, so 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1. Okay, I am done with this. So here I need minus 3 by 7. So it should lie between 0 and minus 1. So 0, it's here. See, this part is 0, minus 1 by 7. This is minus 2 by 7. This is minus 3 by 7. So I can write this as, mark it properly, minus 3 by 7. Make arrows on both sides properly. Draw with scale and pencil. Now next is minus 17 by 5. So D is minus 17 by 5. So first convert into the mixed fraction, that is minus 3, 2 by 5. That it means this lies between minus 4 and minus 3. It is smaller than, it is greater than minus 4 and smaller than minus 3. So let us represent this on number line. So starting with minus 5, we need 5. So minus 5, either let us write minus 5, then minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. This is minus 4. Again 1 by 5 because we have 5 division. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is exactly 1, so it is minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth division pe you have to start marking the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0. Okay. So mark it with arrows on both sides. So we want minus 3, 2 by 5. So minus 3, 2 by 5 is this. See, minus 3, 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. This is the one which is minus 3, 2 by 5. This is the proper marking. Okay. Next question. E. E में what we have, minus 2, 2 by 7 we have. So this lies between minus 3 and minus 2, and in between we have 7 markings. So let us make 7 equal marking. Let us start from minus 4 because extra number should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what? 0. Okay. So we need minus 2 by 7. So let us put first arrows. Now minus 2 by 7. So minus 2 is here and 2 7th. This is 1 7. This is 2 7th. So here I can write it is minus 2, 2 by 7. I can even write here minus 2, 2 by 7. No need to write both sides, just mark it properly with arrows and write minus 2, 2 by 7 is here. It's a proper marking. Now next is f is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 obviously lies, it is greater than 0, lies between 0 and 1. So we can start with minus 1 if you want, because extra number aage piche you have to keep. Let us start with here minus 1. Now we want 5 division. 1, 2, small, see, small half centimeter ka you can take this one marking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 आता है तो you can write 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4. Okay, I am done with this. Put arrows. I want 3/5. So 0 के बाद, see, this is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5, 2 by 5. This is 3 by 5. So I will extend it and I will write as 3 by 5. G. 13 by 4. So if I write this into the mixed fraction, 4 3s are 12, 1 by 4. So this is simple. This lies between, as it says 3, 1, 4. So it lies between 3 and 4. So let us make number line. We will start with 0. How many? We want 4 equal gaps between each consecutive number. So this is my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 by 4. It's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2. If you see, I am taking equal gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. One more extra. 1, 2, 3. This is 6. Okay, so I am done with now. Put arrows. Now we want 3 1/4. So this is the first one, which we can write as 3 1/4. Okay. Now next is h is minus 9 upon 7. So that is minus 1, 2 by 7. It lies between minus 2 and minus 1. So we need, and we have to make 7 parts between each consecutive integer. So let us make the number line. We will start with minus 3. Let us put minus 3 here and then 7 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th gap we will write minus 2. As we are going to the right, number increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 0. Let me see if I can have one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 1. So number line is ready. Now I have to find minus 1, 2 by 7. So minus 1 is here, 2 by 7, this is 1 by 7, this is 2 by 7. So I can put arrows, I can write minus 1, 2 by 7 here, put arrows on both sides of the number line, that is compulsory. In this way your number line should look neat and clean. Represent 13 by 5 and minus 13 by 5 on the same number line. So 13 by 5 is 2, 3 by 5, and minus 13 by 5 is minus 2, 3 by 5. So I have to draw number line from minus 3 to 3. So let us draw big number line. Starting from minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. If you want, you can extend it. So I will just put arrows on both sides. Now I want 13 by 5, that is 2, 3 by 5, 2, this is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and this part is my 2, 3 by 5, that can be written as 13 by 5. Then same way minus 2, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, this is minus 2, 3 by 5 can be written as minus 13 by 5. Draw number line neat and clean. See what I have done, that is also very neat and clean. Gap should be equal between each consecutive numbers. Okay. Question number 9 में we have to find the rational number between each of the following pairs of numbers. Means first question is 7 by 10 and 10 by 17. You have to put only one rational number between these two rational numbers. So you have to understand that if we can put infinite rational numbers between a given rational numbers, there are too many rational numbers which we can put between any two numbers. So now if we have to put, what we will do, we will first make denominator same. So here we know 10 and 17 का LCM is 170. So I will write 7 upon 10 into 17 into 17 and 10 upon 17 को into 10 into 10. So 17 into 7, 7 7 is 49, 119 upon 170 and 100 upon 170. So now 119 and 100 के बीच में we have to put only one rational number. So it's your choice which rational number you can put in between. So I will take any one. There are infinite. See 119, 118, 117, 118, 17.5, 117.25. You can put as many as rational number you can. So here I will just select a round number as 110 upon 170 less greater than 100 upon 170. If you will see 119 greater than 110 greater than 100. So it looks like all numbers are in sequence. So now we got one rational number between 119 by 170 and 100 by 170. So what we will do, we will just write last answer always in simplest form. So 119 का simplest form था 7 upon 10. Greater than this I can write 11 upon 17. This can be written as 10 upon 17. ठीक है? Hope you understood this. We will do next question. B. 1 3 by 8 and 2. See, इसको we, if you have to write, you can easily write a rational number without taking any efforts. But if you want to make it, I will show you two methods. So first method में we will make 8 1 8 9 10 11 by 8 and 2 by 1. We will make denominator equal into 8 into 8. So that will give me 11 by 8 and 8 to the 16 by 8. तो दोनों के बीच में I can put any number as per your wish. You can put you 11 के बाद I can write 14 by 8 and then 16 by 8. Now last में you have to convert into simplest form and then mixed fraction. तो 11 by 8 is the simplest form. और इसको we can write 2 7s are 2 4s are, then we can write 2. So this abhi now we have to convert into mixed fraction. So 11 by 8 can be written as 1 3 by 8. This can be written as 1 3 by 4 and this is 2. If you want to do this type of questions directly, so what you can do, you can write 1 3 by 8 less than 1 4 by 8 less than 2, because 1 3 by 8 1 4 by 8 1 5 by 8 we had learned in number line. 1 3 by 8 is 1 के बाद 3 marking बराबर, 8 marking का 3 marking. So we can write 4 by 8 or we can even write 5 by 8. So this can be written in the simplest form as 1 by 2, because 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 less than 2, or you can even write 1 3 by 8 less than 1 5 by 8 less than 2. There are many numbers which you can insert over here. ठीक है? Answer may differ from student to student. So you can do as per your own convenience. Next question. It is minus 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 7. So let us take LCM. So its LCM is 35. So I can write minus 3 by 5 into 7 multiply by 7 and minus 4 into 5 upon 7 into 5. So this will become minus 21 upon 7 5s are 35 and minus 20 upon 35. See, numerator में gaps is very less. 21 minus 20 minus 21, two consecutive number, but in between also we have many numbers. So if you have to avoid the taking decimal, just like minus 20 point minus 21 के बाद you can write minus 20.9 minus 20.8 minus 20.7 and so on you can write. But if you have to just avoid decimal, what you can do, you can just make it a larger number by multiplying it with 10. So this will become minus 210 upon 350 and minus 200 upon 350. So I can see many numbers which I can put. So I can write minus 210 upon 350 less than, this is smaller. So इसके बीच में which number do you want me to put? Just tell any numbers which I can put here. So I can put minus 205 upon 350 less than minus 200 upon 350. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now you have to convert into simplest form. Simplest form में again this will be written as minus 3 by 5. इसको you can cancel by 5. 5 70s are 5 21s are 7 10s are 7 3s are. So that will become minus 3 by 10 less than 200 by 350 को I can write as minus 4 by 7. So this is my final answer. Minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 10 minus 4 by 7. Okay, 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10 is the rational number which I can put between minus 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Now D. D may we have minus 2 and minus 17 by 21. So let us make denominator same. So you will get minus 42 by 21 and minus 17 upon 21. Just put any number. So I can take minus 42 by 21. I can take 20 minus 21 by 21 and I can take minus 17 by 21. So you can write minus 2 less than minus 1 less than minus 17 by 21. So rational number is minus 1 which we can write in between minus 2 and minus 17 by 21. There are many methods by which you can put a rational number or 3 rational number or 5 rational number as per your choice. Now we have to put 3 rational number between 4 and 4 2/3. So first let us make denominator equal 4 and 4 3 are 12, 13, 14, 14 by 3. So if I am making denominator equal to 12 by 3 and 14 by 3, not much gap. So what I will do, I will just multiply by 10. So 120 by 30 and 140 by 30. So now we have many numbers. So out of that you can select any 3 numbers. Less than 120, 125 by 30, 130 by 30, 135 by 30 and 140 by 30. Do remember to write last step in the simplest form. So first 120 by 30 is 4 less than, इसको we can convert, cancel out those 6 5 6 are 525. So 25 by 6, 0 0 cancel, 13 by 3 less than, again 5 6 are 5, 35 are, 1 minute, 527 are, 0 0 cancel, 14 by 3. Okay, now improper to mixed fraction, you have to convert last step में mixed fraction में रखो. 4 1 by 6 less than 4 1 by 3 less than 6 और इसको भी again if you can convert, that is 9 by 2. So 4 1 by 2 in the simplest form. 4 3 4s are 12, 2 by 3. So this is the final answer. Now pause the video, write it down. Next question I am doing is B. B में I have minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 4. So make denominator same. It's minus 2 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. Let's make it multiply by 10 also. So I get minus 20 by 40. We have to put 3 rational number now. So I can put minus 18 by, or we can write minus 16 by 40, minus 14 by 40, minus 12 by 40 and minus 10 by 40. Now convert into the simplest form. Minus 1 by 2 less than 4 fours are 4 tens are 8 twos are minus 2 by 5 minus 7 by 20 4 threes are minus 3 by 10 and minus 1 by 4. This is the final answer, and three rational numbers are in between minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 4. You can put any values like minus 17, minus 18, minus 18, minus 17, minus 15, minus 13. You can put any value in between minus 20 to minus 10. C. 2 and 3 के बीच में we want rational number, so I can write 2 less than 2.2 less than 2.4 less than 2.6 less than 3. You can put any value 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, any value you can put. You can even write like this 2, 2.5, sorry 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, 3. ऐसा. See, if you see equal gaps है between में. There are many numbers and many ways by which you can put three rational number between the given rational numbers. Now we have to put five rational numbers between the given rational. It's the same way. We can just make denominator equal. So 3 by 5 into 3 into 3, denominator becomes 15, and 2 by 3 into 5 into 5. So 6 by 15 and 10 by 15. So here what we can do is again just multiply by 10 so that it becomes 60 by 150 and 100 by 150. Now we can see we have many options. Oh, sorry, I did mistake over here. This is not 60, this is 90. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 90 and 100 के बीच में we have many options. So I can take 90 upon 150. I have to put 5 numbers. So I can start from 91 upon 150, 93 upon 150, 95 upon 150, 97 upon 150, कितने हो गए 4 हो गए, 99 upon 150 and 100 upon 150. ठीक है. So here now I have to write in the simplest form. This is 3 by 5 less than 91 को we cannot cancel, so it's 91 upon 150. 93 को I can cancel with 3, 3 3s are 3 1s are upon 50 less than, we can cancel by 5, 5 19s are 5 30s are, we cannot cancel, so let us keep as it is. 97 by 150, 99 को we can cancel, 33 by 50 and then 2 by 3. Sorry. This is the 5 rational number which we can put in between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Always write less than sign in between, otherwise you can lose your marks. Next question, B. B में we have minus 2 and 1.5 को I can write as 1.5. So here it's very simple. Minus 2 minus 1.5 minus 1 minus 0.5 0, कितने हो गए 1 2 3, 0.5 and 1.5. See, we had put at 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 rational number between minus 2 and 1.5. C. Minus 3 and minus 2. So here also we have simple minus 3 less than minus 2.9 less than minus 2.7 less than minus 2.6 less than, we can write minus 2.5 लेस देन कितने हो गए -2.4 एंड लेस देन -2. See, we got 1 2 3 4 5. You can put any numbers in between -3 and -2. It's your choice. You can do it in your according to as you wish. 12th question में we have to put 9 rational number between 2 and 3. तो 9 rational number में 2 less than 2.1, less than 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Let us start from the down. Here I can write 12. 2 less than 2.1, less than 2.2, less than 2.3, less than 2.4, less than 2.5, less than 2.6, less than 2.7, less than 2.8, less than 2.9, less than 3. Same way 13 में we have to put 10 rational number between -3 and 2.1. So I can put as many. -3, -2.9, -2.8, -2.6, -2.4, -2.2, -2, -1.8, -1.7, -1.6. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 and one more -1.4 and then -1. So here we get 10 rational number, but in place of 10 even you can put 20 30, as many as rational number you can between two rational numbers. 14. Find 10 rational numbers between -3/4 and 5/6. So let us make denominator equal. So denominator equal के लिए what we will do, we will take LCM. LCM is 12. So -3 into 3 upon 4 into 3, then 5/6 into 2 into 2. So I get -9 upon 12 and 5 2s are 10 upon 12. So I can start from -9/12 less than -8/12 less than -7/12 less than -6/12 less than -5/12 less than -3/12. Anything you can put, less than 0 because 0 आ जाता है बाद में. तो I can write 0 के बाद 1/12, 2/12, 3/12. I want 4/12. I want 10 rational number now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 I got, and then 10/12. Let us write in simplest form. 9/12 can be written as -3/4, -8/12 can be written as -4 2s are 3s are, -7/12 you cannot solve, -6/12 can be written as 1/2, -5/12 as it is, -1/4, 0, 1/12, 1/6, 3/12 को we can write 1/4, 1/3 and then 5/6. This is the 10 rational number between -3/4 and 5/6. ठीक है, hope this is clear how to put rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now next question. It's the last question of this exercise. Find 12 rational number between -1 and 2. So you can write -1, -0.9, -0.7, -0.5, -0.3, 0, then 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, 1.1. कितने हो गए? लेट अस काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1.3 and 1.5, which is between this. ठीक है. In this exercise we had learned how to draw, how to represent number lines, how to put rational number between the two given rational number, how to find standard numbers, बराबर. Standard numbers also we had learned, and how to arrange in ascending order and how to compare it. Just go through all these concepts for rational numbers, and second exercise we will start second exercise in the next video.